Alright, you should have some data in your Infraworks model. You should see it here in the list. What you can do is you can pull over the name column there. Make sure you have the data sources tab selected. Pull over the column, it'll tell you what types of features these are. And for the first case, we've got roads. Why don't we double click on roads and we'll set a couple of things up there. What we'll have to do is we'll go to the IMX tab and we will make sure that use Civil 3D corridor regions are set. Do not check on the second option and then select tile. And then we'll go over to the source tab and we'll set this to drape so that those road surfaces drape to our finished ground surfaces. Then we'll say close and refresh and it should display our roads on our screen. We'll have to set up the surfaces feature next. So we'll double click on that one. That'll bring up our configuration box. We want to turn off all the surfaces except the finished ground. And we'll also set that particular feature to tile. And under the converter tab, we will uncheck convert to grid and just use our native tin model. And then we'll select close and refresh. And what we'll have to do is zoom out a little bit. So roll your wheel mouse until you can zoom out. If you roll it towards you, that'll zoom out. Away from you will zoom in, and holding in your right mouse button and moving your mouse around, it will pan. So that should help you get around the model. What we'll want to do next is delete these road surfaces because we're going to create our own. So I'm just going to left click on the road on the top and hold in my control key and pick the other two roads, and then I'm just going to hit my delete key on the keyboard and that'll delete those road options. Now what we're left with here are some different types of what's called coverage surfaces. These correspond to the different subassemblies in your corridor. So we're going to style those all up independently in the next session. Thanks.